Okay, so I built my own mini teepee for my cats at home, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, so before you start, you will need to have these items at hand before you kick off your project. The first one, you will need 4 pieces of wooden poles or sticks, a roll of strings, a piece of cloth, but for my project I use a scarf instead, and of course a pair of scissors. Now let's go to the next step. Okay, now you have 4 sticks. What you need to do now is to get 2 sticks tied to each other to perform as one unit. So you will have 2 units. Okay, now you have 2 units of the wooden sticks. So you need to combine these two, tie them together to form a frame for the teepee. Now you have just built the teepee's frame. Don't worry about how you tie these sticks together, because at the end of the process you will still need to tidy up the strings. Okay, so I'm going to show you once the strings have been tidied up. Okay, we just tidy up the strings. It looks way better than before. So now the frame is ready. You need to wrap the teepee now with your piece of cloth, or for my case the scarf. You now have a mini teepee at home for your cats. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and good luck in making one. Thanks for watching.